1980 Mazda RX7. The engine is a 12A. I don't know what's wrong with it. I was driving it earlier on the way from work, and I saw a bunch of smoke come out of it all of a sudden. Not from the engine bay, but either it was from underneath or from the exhaust. But all of a sudden it started lagging. It started backfiring kind of, and it makes a weird noise when I step on the gas. Mint condition, by the way. Let me see if anybody has any idea on what it could be. I'd appreciate it. Any information you guys have. Oh yeah, I just took this filter cover off earlier, and then I was hitting the throttle. Yeah, that doesn't sound healthy at all. So, yeah, if anybody has an idea on what it could be, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.